Hello, traders and investors. This is Buy It Trade It for PennyStockRain.com. Today I will be discussing Ppbl, that is Premier Publishing Group Incorporated, listed on the bulletin boards. A couple things about this chart that I've already pointed out is the volume. Volume often precedes price action. In other words, when you see a lot of volume like this, you should see some nice price action. Also, your parabolic SAR, which is one of my favorite indicators, on the daily chart is below the candles. When you see it below the candles, that is the beginning of an uptrend. That is something that you want to watch. When it is above the candles, as you can see right here, that is the beginning of a downtrend. So we want to watch our parabolic SAR right here, and we also want to watch our volume, which is pretty awesome. We haven't had volume like that since August. And a couple other things, we've been in an uptrend since the beginning, well, middle of November, end of November, right here, which is looking pretty nice. And we want to check our support levels and our resistance levels real quick. See where that 50-day moving average is right there, that blue line? Well, right about there is our support level. That's something that we want to watch. We also had a breakout above a resistance level, and I know that this is pretty tiny right here, but it's right there. Notice how when you got above that resistance level, this particular channel right here, you had a nice increase in volume. Plus, we're trending above the blue line, which is the 50-day moving average, and that's something else we want to watch. Now, this is something that we need to be aware of and we need to follow. It's this right here. Right now, we're not overbought in the Relative Strength Index or RSI, but in fact, it still has some room to go. If you look at it, it's been a much higher. 90 would be real overbought. Right now, we're just trending right above median range. So I would say to watch this as well. Um, this is a very bullish sign right here, and this is a very bullish sign, but we need to keep an eye on this right here. Now, if you look at the pattern, overall pattern, you can kind of see a shoulder right here, a head right here, and another shoulder that's formed right here. That would be a reverse head and shoulders pattern, which is very bullish. You got to go for your points. One, two, and here's your third point right there. Now, in order for it to form that pattern, it would have to break right above here, which is a nickel, and you would have to see a break above this right here. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I am buy a trade it from PennyStockRain.com. Please stop by today and sign up. Thanks.